He's better. Left.
I mean, couldn't even see the rock.
Yeah, I know. And not only that, last time they didn't give us wide enough. They didn't give us a wide enough thing. Bye.
What's he doing?
I don't know. He's not, he's just gonna, besides that, he's right on the gravel, he's not on ice.
Still.
There's
no emergency brake.
Why is that? I mean,
there is none.
Well, they have to have one for a safety thing.
Well, there wasn't. They got away with it.
Well, they'll have to get it fixed.
I know, because I need an emergency brake with it.
Yeah, sure.
But it's broken. It's like you just pull it. It's like there's nothing. No.
Oh, well, that's something they'll have to fix right away. We got blasted again last night.
Your weight back.
Lean back, hard. I can't believe I got this on tape that we're all telling them.
This could be a lot of money someday.
Lean back.
Very good.
Right. Excellent, excellent.
Flipper! Grab her and throw her as far as you can.
Nice. Not sure who. No, but don't hit it too hard, Matt. Because it jolts to her head. She doesn't like that. Both of y'all should come in and now. Give her some water and you should rest, Matt. This is the day of, supposed to be the biggest storm ever. And we just got our furnace here yesterday, and I'm really glad it came, because if it hadn't come yesterday, God knows, it would have been forever and ever and ever. And there's Matthew having a wonderful time in the snowstorm. He does this a lot. He'll sometimes spend hours like this with his face in... Oh, really? Okay. Now, this, and he's getting ready to go outside, actually. Okay, Matthew. And here's outside. The deck was clear, finally. Now, it's hard for me to describe how deep it is to you, but it's really deep. It's right up to the chair. Watch the day room. And I'm going to try to show you what's happening. This is our driveway. I'll show you. You can't see it. It's that round thing that goes around like that. That was the driveway. Okay. That's Daniel's car. Mine's in the garage. That gives you some idea. And that's the side that it's not blowing up on. In other words, it's twice as high up the other side because it's blowing that way. And the really incredible news is, this is just the beginning. It's supposed to go on today into tonight, and then there's another one coming Monday. And they're talking about stop because the battery went dead. But anyway, that's the driveway. You can't see it anymore, but it went around like that, and it goes down the other side. It's sort of indistinguishable. Is this, who is this? Is this Frankie coming? Oh, great. He doesn't have a four-wheel drive?
No, it's not.
It is Daddy, isn't it?
No.
It is Daddy.
He went away.
But I think it's Daddy. Maybe he's not coming up for. That's Daniel's car. It's even, see, that side's protected a little from the wind, but the snow's up higher on the other side. More snow all into the night. And there's another storm coming Monday, they say. So this is going to be quite an experience. Outside Celeste's window. Okay, this is the view outside the back window. We're surrounded. Front door. Those are the stairs.
Can I show how deep it is?
Well, we're not, you know, I hate to get, you can kind of see it. I hate to see your feet get all wet. But that's the end of the tape. Boy, we timed it perfectly. Turn around, turn around, turn around. You can be the last thing I see on this tape.
Wait.
Yeah. Oh, you're going to get it. Okay, that's good. Pull it out because you're going to get your pants all yucky. It is soft. Yeah, turn around. Turn around!
I'm cold.
Okay. There's the cars. That's the street down there. It's quite a sight.
Here goes the door.
It's a holly tree.
So, right up.
Okay. Alright. Frank down there. I don't know if he can get up the driveway with his car.
He's running.